can see this traffic area, it's really bad. We're going to do all the tile and grout. We want it to be more like that. That ottoman and table is just going to get moved side to side when we're cleaning off camera. And this is the set extraction process. We've already agitated the grout lines, and now we're cleaning the tile and extracting the dirty water-soluble soil from the tile. And these absorbent pads do that, and they buff and extract and polish the tile at the same time. So you get the extraction of the water-soluble soil, and then you get the buffing, polishing action from the pad machine actually. When the grout line's dry, the floor is going to look fantastic. The grout lines are going to pop. The floor is going to be brilliant and shiny. And this is a low moisture, ultra low moisture approach to tile and grout cleaning.